Hello everyone. We are going to see a topic gravitational field and intensity of gravitational field. Here in the gravitational field, see very carefully. Let us consider this sphere is as a radius, a sphere with a radius RE. Let it is Earth of mass ME and its radius is represented by RE here in the diagram. Right? The concept of gravitational field can be understood by Newton's universal law of gravitation. We know according to the Newton's universal law of gravitation, any two particles in the universe, force of attraction acts. Here in this particular case, one body we are taking as a Earth and another body we choose here of mass m0, which is h height above to the Earth surface in this case, and it is kept here. So according to this universal law of gravitation, force of attraction acts between this Earth and mass m0, and it is given by formula F is equal to capital G me m0 by, see the distance from here. Let this distance is given x. This x is equal to, see here this distance is radius of Earth. So we may write x is equal to RE plus h here. So this force can be written as F is equal to capital G me m0 by x square. It is represented by equation number 1. Due to this gravitational force, the body here kept at point P experiences gravitational pull. This is the gravitational pull. It is due to the result of gravitational force acting between any two particles in the universe and magnitude of this force is given by equation number 1 here in the body. See, we are knowing that the space around this Earth, where a material body is kept, if it experiences this gravitational pull, listen very carefully. Experienced what? Gravitational pull, where space around the Earth in 3 dimensions, anywhere, if any particle is kept, its pull towards the Earth. Wherever this gravitational pull experiences, that space is called gravitational field. Right? In that condition, one may define the gravitational field in this way. See, it is the space around a material body in which gravitational force or gravitational pull can be experienced by whom? By material body is called gravitational field. This is in 3 dimensions around the Earth, and wherever is kept any material body, It is not only true for a specific body which have mass m0 here represented in the diagram, but it is true for any body. This gravitational pull is true for any body kept here in the field, is called gravitational field. So we may say that gravitational field is space around the earth where a material body experienced gravitational pull. Is that clear? Now we are going to see intensity of gravitational field. Right? To understand the fundamental of intensity of gravitational field, let us see the diagram here carefully. See in the diagram, this is the position of, this is a position of the earth having mass m0, radius re, a body of mass m0. This is called here, for the coming topic is test mass, is kept here, and that which is really x distance away from here, right? If you want to calculate the intensity of gravitational field at any point in the gravitational field, then in the actual practice we have kept a test mass of m0, but gravitational field is, intensity of a gravitational field is force experienced by unit mass in the gravitational field, is called intensity of gravitational field. So we are keeping the test mass, but intensity of gravitational mass at point P is the gravitational force experienced by unit mass at the point. So we can summarize the intensity of gravitational field in this way, that intensity of gravitational field I is amount of force experienced by unit mass at that point in gravitational field. See very carefully. This is intensity of gravitational force is intensity of gravitational field is gravitational force experienced in the gravitational field by unit mass of substance. But once see in the diagram here, see the diagram very carefully here. In the definition we define at intensity I at P is experienced by unit mass of substance, but really we have kept a test mass, which is, if it is kept test mass here, so gravitational force is given by equation number 1 here in the diagram. But by this explanation we can write intensity of gravitational field I is, we may say, this equation F is force experienced by test mass by mass of test body. To check the presence of gravitational field available, intensity of gravitational field in the gravitation field. This can be represented by equation number 1. Equation number 2 here, I is equal to F by m0, where I speaks intensity of gravitational field, F is gravitational field, gravitational force experienced by test mass m0 given in the equation number 1. So by putting the value of F, one may write intensity of gravitational field I is equal to capital G, F is ME M0 by X square into M0 cancel. So it's become GME by X square. Right? So it can be represented by equation number 3. This intensity of gravitational field is vector quantity. So its direction is in which direction? So intensity is a vector quantity. So its direction is along gravitational force. So direction is along gravitational force. It must be clear to everyone. See here in the diagram once more. If test mass is free to move, then due to the gravitational force, it will attracted by the earth towards this. So force is act, and according to Newton's second law of motion, this force is equal to mass into acceleration. If test mass m0 is free to move in gravitation field, explained in the diagram, then according to Newton's second law of motion, due to gravitational field, this force is equal to mass m0 into acceleration. This m0 into acceleration, this equation is given by equation number 4 here. m0a. Clear? So by this equation, one may write acceleration produced in the body is given by formula. A is equal to F by m0. But this F by m0 is also known as intensity of gravitational field. See the important conclusion here. Acceleration produced, right? So acceleration produced in a body in material body is equal to intensity of gravitational field I, right? Acceleration is I, and this is also known as acceleration due to gravity in the field. This is also known as is equal to G. Acceleration due to gravity, the same factor, acceleration produced, acceleration at that point acting, and it is equal to G here in the gravitational field. This is common here in this case. Now, unit of intensity of gravitation. Since I is equal to F by m0, so it is Newton per kg, right? Newton per kg. Newton here in the force, mass is in kilogram in SI system, international SI system. This is also called MKS system, and its dimensional formula. Formula is equal to dimension formula of I is equal to dimension of F by dimension of test mass. It is ml, T minus 2 by m. So dimensional formula of intensity is equal to LT minus 2. It is equal to the dimension of acceleration. That is why see here it is given gravitational acceleration. Acceleration experienced here in the field by a material body is called acceleration due to gravity, and it is also called intensity of gravitational field. Right? One more thing is common here. This is a vector quantity. We have already explained that. In vector notation, intensity is represented by minus g me by x square. This minus sign indicates here force of attraction. This is all about gravitational field and intensity of gravitational field.